For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Ram Gopal Verma is yet again making headlines for all the wrong reasons. Telangana police booked a case against the controversial filmmaker on July 4th. The case has been filed as per a court directive in connection with his recently announced movie, Murder. The film is based on the honor killing of Pranay Perumalla. A case has been registered against Verma and producer Nati Karuna at the Miryalaguda Town 1 police station in Nalgonda district in the state. It was Pranay's father, P. Balaswamy, who filed a petition in the court. The court issued direction to the police after hearing the petition filed by P. Balaswamy. Pranay was murdered in 2018 by his father-in-law Maruti Rao, who had refused to accept his marriage with his daughter Amruta. Pranay was a 24-year-old Dalit who was hacked to death by hired killers in public. He was killed in the presence of his pregnant wife outside a private hospital in Miryalaguda on September 14, 2018. Maruti Rao along with 7 others were arrested in the murder case. Rao, who had struck a deal to kill Pranay for Rs 1 crore, allegedly took his own life in March this year in Hyderabad. Ram Gopal Verma announced on Father's Day that he was making a film on the story of Maruti Rao and his daughter.
On the occasion of Father's Day, I'm launching the first look poster of a film based on the tragic story of Amruta and her over-loving father, Maruti Rao. This is going to be a heart-wrenching story based on the Amruta and Maruti Rao saga of the dangers of a father loving a daughter too much.
Amruta, who still lives with Pranay's parents, had reacted to Verma's plans and vowed to fight a legal battle to stop the film. Ram Gopal Verma too has reacted on the ongoing situation and has told that his film is inspired by a true story, but it's not the truth.
With regard to media speculations on the case filed on my film Murder, I once again want to reiterate that my film is based and inspired from a true incident and it is not the truth. Also, there's no mention of anyone's caste in the film with regard to the case filed on the basis of uninformed speculations. Our advocates will give an appropriate reply as required by law.
Ram Gopal Verma further stated that his film Murder is just a creative subject which is in the public domain.
I specially mentioned that I have no intention to demean or degrade anyone, and my film is just a creative work based on a subject which is in the public domain. But as a citizen who respects the law, I too will proceed legally to protect my fundamental rights.
Well, now it has to be seen if Pranay's family creates more hurdles or RGV will go ahead with his plan.